I'm kind of drunk. It's oopsie daisies. I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. Now everyone who's 21 or older, listen up because I am about to change your life. Skip the vodka soda and opt for a nice cold beer. That's right, today we are talking about beer. And no, I don't drink beer very often, but apparently it's great for your hair. So today, I'm getting my hair buzzed. See what I did there? Yeah? This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. Oh, beer. Just the thought of it takes me back to, well, what I imagine other people's college experiences were like. I went to NYU, we had martinis and elixirs, but never did I think that beer would take me to the salon. But today it is. I've been seeing tons of videos and blog posts about people washing their hair with beer, and they see amazing results. But why? Beer is made up of 4 ingredients: barley, hops, yeast, and water. Okay, wait. Before I get into this, I just want to say that beer is not good for you internally. Yes, this may seem obvious, but I'm just trying to cover all of my bases. Okay, now back to hair. So in your nice can of brewski, the barley, hops, yeast, and water work together to create the beer, which is essentially packed with vitamin B, protein, and minerals, all of which can contribute to healthy, shiny, and strong hair. Specifically, when the hops are added to the beer, they also extract essential oils that are great for your hair because they have antioxidant and astringent properties. Before I actually try washing my hair with beer, I think we should look into how it's made, because the brewing process is what makes these ingredients so special.
Hi. I'm Travis.
I'm Skyler, nice to meet you.
Welcome to Folks Beer. I'm Travis Kaufman. I'm the founder and owner of Folks Beer Brewery here in Brooklyn, New York. Today we're going to talk to Skyler about how we make beer here at Folks Beer. There's a lot of details to beer making, but at its essence, we're taking malted grains, extracting sugar from it, and fermenting it. That's beer. So there's a lot of things in beers that can be beneficial as a hair treatment, including phosphorus, magnesium, proteins from yeast and the grain, and hops as well. And also silica and silicon are great for connective tissue in general, especially your hair.
Wow, so all of the beer is made back here?
Every drop.
Those are huge.
So this is our cellar. This is where the beer rests at a cooler temperature and ferments. It can stay in these tanks anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 months, depending on the style of beer. And then the other major part of our brewery is this piece of machinery here, where we actually cook the beer from raw ingredients to then put it in the cellar to ferment.
Isn't that where all the magic happens?
It's where all the magic happens, and it's where all the things that make it good for your hair happen as well. This is one of the main ingredients. This is malted barley. The best beers for your hair actually are going to be 100% barley beers, because this has all the stuff you want in it, whereas wheat, spelt, all the other stuff that might go into beer doesn't. So now that you've learned a little bit about how we make beer, let's go taste some.
Perfect, let's do it. Which one of these matches my blonde?
The Seif is probably your beer because it's actually named after a Nordic goddess, and she became the sort of goddess of the wheat fields.
Honestly, I just interpreted that like he said I was the goddess of the wheat fields. I am so grateful. Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for visiting.
Thank you. We just got back from the brewery, and I honestly had no idea how important each and every ingredient is in making beer perfect. I've seen a lot of vlogs and blog posts about girls washing their hair with beer and seeing amazing results. Clearly I want those, so that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna shampoo my hair, then I'm gonna do a beer rinse. I'm just gonna treat the beer as I would any other shampoo or hair treatment. I'm gonna start with the root and I'm gonna massage it into my scalp, work it through all the way to the ends, and I'll just make sure every piece of my hair is soaking up the vitamins from the beer. So after I rinse, I'm gonna condition my ends, and then I'm gonna blow out my hair. And then when I go to style it, my hair is gonna be all shiny, strong, and thick, and that's all thanks to beer. So next time you're at that summer barbecue or watching the game, take that nice cold beer and pour it on your head. don't actually do that, but beer has really proven itself to me. And now I'm actually gonna stock up on some and use it in the shower. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. I will see you next time. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. To see more videos, click here. To subscribe to Food Network, click here.